After the Galaxy S22 Ultra / S22 Note, it's time for OnePlus's next flagship phone, the OnePlus 10 Pro, the successor to the OnePlus 9 Pro. Thanks to reputed leaker Digital Chat Station on Weibo, we have a lot of infos of the OnePlus 10 Pro that are leaked. The info included some of the leaks that are actually reconfirmation of the past leaks. Now, there were rumors that the OnePlus 10 Pro might support 125 watt charging, but new info saying that's not happening. The OnePlus 10 Pro will likely support super fast wired charging of 80 watt, which is also really fast, by the way, but it will also support very fast 50 watt wireless charging. That's kind of cool. Now, the other specs that were leaked are the 6.7-inch 1440p LTPO display, and of course, smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That's why LTPO. Now, in terms of cameras, they're going to be a 32 megapixel punch-hole selfie camera, which will be positioned in the top left corner of the display. And at the back, there will be a 48 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and another 8 megapixel 3x telephoto zoom camera. And if you want the wallpapers from the thumbnail photos, then visit my website jointhevid.com. Link down below. Now, the most controversial thing, the software. Well, it will reportedly come with ColorOS 12 based on Android 12 out of the box. Now, I know most of the OnePlus OG fans will hate it, but we can do nothing about it anymore. According to the past leaks, the phone will definitely come with recently launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. If you haven't checked out my video on that, you should. The benchmarks are really interesting, by the way, and the phone will come with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Now, in terms of battery, it will come with at least 5000 mAh battery. That will be really sufficient, by the way. The OnePlus 10 series is expected to be unveiled in January of next year. So yeah, we have to wait till then. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, jointhevid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.